Yo, people, I don't know where you can hear me. Hold on. So I'm trading in my car. I just finished a shift. This is so fucking scuffed. Hold on. Connected, right. Hopefully audio should sound a bit better. We're trading in my car. Work finished at 2:30, and obviously, as you know, markets open at 2:30. So we are just going to be going through the trade recap today. Am I recording? Yes, I'm recording. What the fuck am I doing? I don't want to do that. All right. Here is the trade recap of today. Today is Thursday, the 27th of August. Oh my fucking God, this is gorgeous. Anyway, okay. Long story short, this goes exactly where I want it to go. Hard time frame, what are we doing? Slight chop, but nothing to be scared about. We did inverse this hourly, which makes me think we could continue lower on the higher time frame. Ignore these drawings. These are from yesterday. However, tapped into this bullish order block, which was rejecting from new day opening gap. We had a massive new day opening gap yesterday. Anyway, go down to the lower time frame. What do we see? We see price manipulated up, took out this. We didn't take out this high. We left equal highs, relative equal highs here, which was also 930 high. So we manipulate up, nearly tap this. We don't, so relative equal highs. Big draw on liquidity, bang, step one already. We've then got the fib level. So I drew out the fib level from the low to the high throughout London that we made this morning. London was quite bullish. So we then decide to tap into OTE. We look for a potential entry. We get a 15-second inversion after tapping OTE, but we don't quite close on the 1 minute or the 30-second. So I take an entry off the 15-second on my phone, and in my pocket, it closes it for minus 100. I'll show you. So it says, we took two trades today. 3 trades, because I scaled out. Minus 110. So we placed it. It would have hit stop loss, actually, so it saved me a decent chunk of change. However, we then get this gorgeous setup. We manipulate further down, sweep out sell side, stop raid, and tap into this premium 15-minute gap just below OTE whilst wicking the 75%. We then consolidate for a few minutes, get a solid, gorgeous fucking 1 minute inverse to the upside. I enter, pretty much instantly go break even. I trim at 50 points because obviously our set risk to reward is 25 to 50, 1 to 2. But I honestly saw us taking out these highs so easily. Like, we just were going to take out these highs. I go break even at the internal high after scaling out here. So we go green on the day for like 200 and something dollars. And then set break even. We get tap break even, and then it runs 100 points. Now, am I mad about that? A little bit, because it would have been like 660 up on the day. But it's not the end of the world. We're about to go to the gym now. It is 2:51. Maybe 10 a.m. has something good in store for us, but we've swept liquidity. We're sort of just consolidating a little bit now. So I'm not entirely sure what we're going to do. The 5 minute looks like we might just chop. But we've got, hella amount of low resistance liquidity all throughout here before London highs. I could see 10 a.m. manipulating into maybe a bullish 5 minute gap if we get enough time to create one. Tapping into it, manipulating back above 10 a.m. and then taking longs from 10 a.m. to London highs. But in terms of that, unless we do take anything else, that is a trade recap for today. OTE, 79% extension sweep, sell side sweep, stop raid. Well, we get some manipulation, leave equal highs, really good draw on liquidity. Gorgeous 1 minute upside, 1 minute inverse to the upside as well. If we'd have waited for the 30-second, ironically, we'd have got a worse fill. But what was wrong with this trade? Nothing from what I can see. It was a good decision to go break even after we ran 50 points and took out that internal high. We had a good bias, so anything more than 50 points, I think I might leave break even for a little bit longer, because as you can see, we came down, perfectly tapped this inverse gap. Was this a fib level as well? Technically, we came down and tapped EQ, CE of the range, and then proceed to go up 100 points. So yeah, I was going to take full profits if ES took this high on this candle, because I would have just fully closed. However, ES didn't take it on that candle, and then we got break even. So I was looking at ES quite closely. On the week, we're still down a decent chunk, I think. Yeah, down 360. Not as bad as last week, but it's completely fine. Had a decent day on Tuesday, which I was working. Really didn't think I'd have had a good day. And then today, one accidental loss. 1 win to get the losses back. We took off 2 of the 5 contracts, and then the last 3 got took out at break even. We're good. We're also funded now. I bought an Alpha Direct account. I mean, because look at this. I mean, do we have an internal SMC? No. Anyway, I bought an Alpha Direct account, so we're currently 25k funded. I was going to go for the 50k, but the payout target is higher. So I want to stick to my 1 to 2s, 70% win rate. Should be pretty good. Good things coming. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Well, that's me. Look at me. Yeah, I'm going to go to the gym, hit some chests, see what 10 a.m. has in store for us. But I'm going to love you and leave you. Trading in my car. I'm glad I've got decent 4G because this is absolutely cooked. But we're going to get there one way or another, one direction. Yeah, love you all. Take care of yourselves. Tell us you love them. And I'm going to go lift some heavy ass weight. Bosh.